Hi. How to link a sales order to already created supplier purchase order? Here we will take the example of sales order number 90. Go to Enter PO status in vendor management. Select the date range. In the list, select the particular purchase order. In the pop-up, enter the particular customer name. The list of customer sales orders will appear. Select the required sales order. Click Update SO. That's it. You can see the sales order number has been updated. Also, you can see that supplier PO is listed in the sales order project costing sheet. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your organization. Thank you.